Hey everybody, this is Eric Miller at ISTFA 2023. I'm at the Nippon Scientific booth with my new friend, Mamiko.
I'm Mamiko. Hello everybody. I'm from Nippon Scientific. We're headquartered in Tokyo, Japan. We specialize on equipment which does decapsulation of the devices. One of major product is a laser equipment we have, PL201, which is a fiber laser, which does remove the epoxy molding compound before the wet process or either the plasma process.
Yeah.
It cannot go all the way to the top surface of the die because it ends up killing the functionality. But before you do a plasma etching or wet etching, a laser is utilized to reduce the amount of the epoxy.
What's like the minimum size of a sample that you could fit in here?
We often work the sample smaller than 1 millimeter square.
So do you have your own software that runs the instrument?
Yes, it does.
Okay. So you can set up recipes or...
Correct.
Okay.
It's a quite user-friendly software.
Oh, okay. That's good.
It's been almost 4 years since I last visited ISTFA because of COVID.
Okay.
And then I'm just so happy that I'm here. And then very exciting to be here again. And then I'm hoping that I can come back here next year.
Oh.
And then thanks for interviewing me.
Oh, thank you.
I got quite nervous.